In our rapidly evolving world, success is defined by turning challenges into opportunities. With enough foresight and ingenuity, the complex problems of today can become the achievements of tomorrow. I'm Fred Thompson. From business and technology to healthcare and the environment, join me as we take a closer look inside the workings of the modern global economy. Welcome to Inside Business. I'm Fred Thompson, and I'm Inside Business. Since the dawn of the industrial age, manufacturing has been the cornerstone of American business. Join me as we explore some recent advances in the industry.
It's a phone call that Tomas de la Paz will never forget. Owner of the El Mescal restaurant chain, he received word that his busy Kansas location had nearly gone up in flames when a fire swept through the kitchen, devouring everything in its path. Later, as Tomas assessed the damage, he realized he would have to close down for what promised to be an extensive restoration period. The likely culprit was a weather-corroded wire running into the interior of the building from outside through a process known as rooftop penetration. These and other improperly maintained mountings have been linked to fires, electrical breakdowns, leaks, water damage, and other hazardous conditions.
About 5 years ago, we had a fire in one of my businesses, and that's how I met David, which came up with a REACH system, what it did, it really saved me a lot of money because you already have the duct through, which all you do is just put all your equipment and run your wires in, and it actually, maintenance-wise, will save you a lot of money in the long run.
Well aware of the tremendous hazards posed by substandard rooftop penetrations and equipment mountings, Smith realized that his friend's restaurants were a mere tip of the iceberg. He knew that virtually every commercial building in the U.S. needed something to permanently correct the problem.
The average person, our building owner customer, has no idea how many problems are on rooftops, such as exposed wiring, water holes leaking down, causing damage underneath. As a commercial contractor, it was my job to take care of that. And technology for roofs advanced, and there was no advancement in the penetrations and the equipment connection systems, which caused 90% of the problems. So I developed something that the construction trade could use to eliminate problems.
Putting his years of mechanical contracting and engineering experience to good use, David emerged with an invention that he named the REACH, and he placed his new prototype into service at Tomas's restaurant. It was obvious from the very first unit that Smith was onto something big, because his invention accomplished what no other device had been able to achieve. It eliminated hazardous rooftop penetration and mounting conditions permanently. The issue was so challenging that for decades, the entire U.S. construction industry turned a blind eye on the problem. In fact, there have been no advancements of any kind in the area of rooftop penetration technology since the earliest days of commercial construction. Instead, builders continue to rely on an antiquated and unreliable device known as a pitch pan.
Pitch pan is an unengineered process by which you take a metal frame and put it around supply lines for equipment on a rooftop and fill it with tar. It's meant to seal the roof to prevent water from going in. The problem is it doesn't work. It dries out, it causes more problems. It's only a temporary solution. Causes the customer high maintenance costs, including early replacement of roofs unnecessarily.
Recognizing the value of Smith's new technology, J. Nicholas Vieser, commercial property owner, added REACH to his properties across the U.S., where all pitch pans were replaced in favor of the REACH.
We realized that every one of our properties had some type of rooftop penetration issue. If we didn't do something about it, it was going to continue to be a problem. So the REACH product was the only one on the market that was easy, safe, and most importantly, cost-effective.
We're going to use the REACH opportunity to bring jobs back to the United States with the backbone manufacturing of this company. And we're going to use the REACH opportunity to generate jobs. All the products REACH build will be right here in the United States for that purpose. And we believe everybody should join us.